Hi guys, here 25 minus 5 is 20 in bracket 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 3. Here 20, the bracket here is 2 plus 1 is 3 square divided by 3. Here 20 times 3 square is 9 divided by 3. Here this is 180 divided by 3. Here 180 divided by 3 is 60 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, the 60 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 25 minus 5 times this bracket is 2 plus 1 is 3 square divided by 3. Here next priority is exponent here. Exponent here is 3 power 2. So 25 minus 5 times 3 square is 9 divided by 3. Here we have subtraction, multiplication, division. Here next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication division before this subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 5 times 9. So we have to do this 5 times 9 before any other operation. So 25 minus 5 times 9 is 45 divided by 3. Here we have subtraction and division. Division is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this division before this subtraction. 25 minus 45 divided by 3 is 15. Here 25 minus 15 is 10 is the correct answer.